away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Pitter patter on the ground, splashy puddles all around. Drip drop sounds go tap tap tap. Raindrops dancing clap clap clap. Rain falls down on roof and tree, on the road and on my knee. Umbrella up and boots so tight. Walking in rain feels just right. Rain, rain, soft and slow, helping flowers start to grow. Green, green leaves and colors bright. Rain helps make the world so right. But today we want some sun. Slide and swing and lots of fun. Kites to fly and balls to throw. So rain, rain, please go slow. Clouds move by and skies turn blue. Peekaboo sun says hello you. Birds sing songs and children cheer. Sunny weather's finally here. After rain, the rainbow shows. Red and yellow, green and rose. Look up high and count the hue. Rain and sunshine, magic too. Rain, rain, thank you so. Now it's time for you to go.